PTE Academic is the world's leading computer-based test of English for study abroad, immigration, and skilled migration. It brings together the best technology and human expertise to deliver objective, accurate, relevant, and secure testing for academic institutions, professional bodies, and governments across the world. PTE Academic has been rapidly adopted in the UK, Australia, USA, Canada, New Zealand, and the rest of the world. We are accepted by thousands of academic programs, including prestigious institutions. PTE academic scores are aligned with the CEFR and the Global Scale of English, and is the only test to feature 100% computerized marking. PTE Academic has 4 key features that sets it apart from any other English test in the world: accuracy, security, relevant, objective. We demonstrate the accuracy of our tests through the precision of our scores. Tests are marked by a computer, which means we are able to precisely capture the test taker's true ability with a lower margin of error than with tests marked by humans. We believe fair tests should be as accurate as possible and provide institutions with peace of mind that test takers will have the same score in any of the test centers across the world. Our automated scoring system is based on complex algorithms that were trained by testing a data sample of over 10,000 test takers with over 120 native languages. We ensure the highest level of security. All test centers use state-of-the-art digital biometrics, incorporating palm scanning, digital signatures, secure paperless results, randomized test forms, and CCTV. PTE Academic assesses English language skills in more ways than any other test. This means that test takers will be assessed on their ability to cope well with a wide variety of tasks and prove their ability to effectively communicate in English. We believe PTE Academic is the most objective test of academic English in the world. It doesn't matter where test takers come from or what they look like. PTE Academic only tests their English skills. You can therefore be sure that everyone has been treated with complete fairness. In addition, it is a swift process. We typically deliver results within 5 business days, and bookings can be made up to 24 hours in advance at one of over 200 test locations worldwide. PTE Academic is the English test trusted by universities, colleges, business, and governments around the world. It's accepted in 100% of Australian universities, 100% of New Zealand universities, 100% of Irish universities, and 95% of UK universities. It has growing US recognition, including at Harvard, Yale, Columbia, Stanford, USC, and also in many Canadian universities. And it is approved by Australian and New Zealand governments for student and migration visas. PTE Academic is the world's leading computer-based test of English, bringing together the best technology and human expertise. To find out more, visit pearsonpte.com.